Hi everyone, you're welcome back to Data Nest with Angie. Last week we learned group by and having clauses, which is used to summarize data. Today we're going to be learning how to sort our data in SQL using the order by clause. What sorting does is that it helps you to see your data in order that you want. Do you want to see your data in an ascending order? Do you want to see your data in a descending order? So it's like showing you top selling product first or the highest price items at the top. So we are going to be practicing this in PG Admin 4 so you see exactly how it works. So your order by is like arranging your clothes in a wardrobe. You can sort it by color, you can sort it by size, you can sort it by type. But in SQL, your order by arranges your rows by one or more columns. So you can either arrange customer names by what ascending to descending order, that means from A to Z, or you can sort it by descending to ascending order, that means from Z to A. All right. So in SQL, we don't spell ascending ASCENDING completely in SQL. No, we use the abbreviation. We use ASC for ascending, and then for descending, we use DESC. All right. So let's work with our DVD rental. So we're going to start with select first. Select everything from, we want to see, let's say customer, we want to see everything from our customer table. So let's run this. So this means show me all customers. All right. So we have this. So let's go. We can use order by now. We want to sort order by, let's say one order by first name, your column name right here. All right. Order by first name, ASC. All right. If you want to sort order by more than one column, you can do that. So you enter last underscore name, yes, ASC. So let's go. Now you can see that your order by clause, rearranges your work for you. It's showing you all customers starting from A, and Aaron, Adam, Adrian, Agnes, Alan, Albert, Alberto, Alex. Do you get it now? So this is what your order by does. It rearranges your work for you in your own order of preference. All right. So let's say we also want to sort. Let's see our products table. Let's select everything from, let's see what we have in our payment table. Payments. So let's run this. Not payment, let's see what we have in our products. We have product table. So we don't have products. Let's go and see from our schemas to see what we have in our tables. So expand your tables. So we don't have product table. We only have staff, category, address, country. Okay, let's see country. Okay, let's run this. Okay, so we can see Afghanistan is already sorted. Let's see what we have in our theme table. Let's sort this. So you just need to remember what your filtering clauses and your sorting clauses are. Your filtering clauses summarizes your data for you. Your sorting clause rearranges your data for you in your own order of preference. So you have this. So let's see. Okay, we have length of theme. Okay, so we can arrange our length of theme, or we can use rental rates to sort. So let's use order by, let's use rental rates underscore rates. You have to know what you want to sort. You have to know the name of the column that you want to sort. So we want to sort our rental rate by what? Let's say descending order. DESC. All right. So let's run this. You want to see all the columns in this particular table. That's why we use asterisks. So we can see our ID, but let's say we don't want to see everything in our theme table. So we can, where is our rental rate? We can see our rental rate is showing us from 4.99. That's the highest rental rate. So if you scroll down, you see more. Okay, so let's say we want to see theme, we want to see selected columns, we don't want to see all the columns. So let's say we want to see title, theme underscore ID, comma, you also want to see title, right? And you want to see rental rate, right? So you want to order by just the rental rate. Okay, let's go. Yeah, so you can see your film ID, you can see the title and their rental rate. Okay, so now let's say we want to see total rental rate. We want to use aggregate function now. Okay, so we are going to do sum, right? Or let's use average. We've been using some AVG, okay, rental rate, average rental rate, and alias AS, we want to change it to AVG underscore rental underscore rate, right? We want to change the column name to this. Now, before your order by, you need to enter your what? Your group by clause. So type group by. If you remember in our last class, we want to use our group by is when we have aggregate functions, right? So we want to group by it's going to be theme ID. You can group by more than one. You also want to group by title, all right? And then you want to use having. Having, you want to filter, you want to see a specific amount, right? Having what? You're going to type your AVG, open bracket, rental underscore rate, close bracket. You want to see greater than, let's say greater than 4. Okay, so you use your order by. So let's run this. Yeah, so you can see that you've ordered your rental rate by descending order 4.99, and you can see you're having, you want to see this particular what is it called, aggregate function greater than 4. So you only get to see, 4 from 4 and above. So if you scroll down, you only see rental rates from 4 and above. Can you see? Let's say you want to see from 3. So click on, let's use 2. Click on 2. Now highlight to execute this. Scroll down. When you scroll down, you see from 2. Can you now see it? Yes. So this is when to use your order by. Your order by is your sorting clause in SQL. It sorts your work for you. While you're having what? You're having summarizes your work for you. Shows you what you want to see. All right. Your group by also is a filtering clause. The different filtering clause that we have is your where. You should know when to use your where, your group by, your having. I've already explained this in our previous class. All right. So your group by summarizes your data, your order by sorts your summary results. So you see top performing products, so you see top performing rental rate, or top performing, in this case, title of movies. Okay. So you need to try sorting your own tables in pgadmin 4 to get comfortable, okay? Next week, we are going to be diving into joins. There you are going to learn how to combine multiple tables for even more powerful queries. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and comment your questions below. I'm going to be seeing you in the next class. Bye.